Well, one of the challenges that we can face as musicians is that we can end up just playing all of the rhythm all of the same way. If you'd like some tips for rhythms today, then let's check out some quick top tips. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here with piano. Today, let's check out some challenges that come with rhythm, particularly when we're playing piano, and let's break things apart to conquer those challenges. Our first challenge is that we can tend to play all of our notes to the same rhythm. So I had a young student, a 5-year-old, who decided that she loved river flows, so she wanted to learn all the melody. For the second part of the piece, she started to learn the notes. But she was tending to play them all very evenly with the same rhythm, like this. So one of the strategies when we're playing rhythm is to think about the rhythm that we're doing and to actually say this aloud. I'll say it again, say it aloud, and that will really help you to nail a rhythm and to play it really neatly. So my little student decided that she wanted to say, "Please check on the weather. Please check on the weather. Please check on the weather." And then she proceeded to go on and to make up a little sentence about the clouds and what was happening with them and how they looked. And it was all relevant to what was in her mind and what she was seeing happening in her music. So remember to say what's happening in rhythm out loud. The next strategy for having really strong rhythm is to think about the maths. So we want to be able to find the heartbeat of the music, and once we have that beat, then we can divide it. And that will give us half values. Then if we divide it again, then that ends up giving us quarter of the values. Then we can have double length notes or 4 beats that we can say hold, 2, 3, 4. Maybe let's go to that A scale pattern and look at that now. So if this is our tar beat, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1. So we're just going to match the main beat. Then we can go to TTs or double those. Double it again. So that then we're doing 4 little notes to a main beat. Let's go the other way now, find our heartbeat and then double the length of the note. So here we go. Now 2s, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold for 2. And then 4s, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and we might finish there. So by looking at the math and looking at how the rhythm values add up to often our 4 counts in a bar or sometimes 3 counts in a bar, then it helps to make all of our playing very strong. So make sure that the words that you're using and thinking of as a rhythm are really relevant to you. Sometimes French time names aren't the most relevant thing with tars and TTs and working out how they all fit together. Sometimes please check on the weather is more relevant to you. So for some of my students, I say, what's your favorite food? And if their favorite food is watermelon chocolate, then they're the words that we link to the little rhythm values. Another strategy that can help you with really strong rhythm is by using a metronome when you're playing. Sometimes this can be a real challenge because a student might not have a strong sense of pulse. So basically, we need to be able to hear the ticks and stay with the ticks when we go to play. Back to our lovely A scale there again. So we need to be able to hear the tick, tick, tick and play as we match that. So especially when you're beginning, and I often use this strategy anyway now, but a really good strategy is to double the amount of ticks. So it might say crotchet equals 90 beats per minute. But if we can whack it up to 180, it can give us the smaller values that we might actually be playing more notes to. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so in our music, if we're playing crotchet equals 180, but we have actually double notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. It can actually be hard to match it when we've got a slow tick. So instead of it being at 180, let's zip it down to 160. So then we'll have one of each of those quick notes to one tick. Here we go. And so then we can check that our beat is really matching one note to each tick. Once again, remember to say things aloud. So if we're doing our beat there, jogging, 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 so that we can really hear that is matching what we're aiming to do. So if we wanted to play through River Flows, then we could say running faster, 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 jogging, running faster, 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 jogging, jogging, and slow down on the last one. And lastly, remember to listen to the original. I'm very, very glad that we are in the days of YouTube and that I don't have to go to the library and listen to my classical pieces to try and hear how they go, or in my case, not go to the library and not hear how they actually should be. So really try and listen to the original if you're matching a pop song or it's to a song that somebody else has composed, and have a rhythmic stability really guiding your playing through. Well, happy music making. Have a great week. Ta-da.